I recently had the opportunity to test out the Ninja Smart Double Oven Air Fryer with FlexDoor, and I must say, it's an impressive appliance that offers a lot of versatility and convenience for home cooks. This multifunctional device combines the capabilities of an air fryer, toaster oven, and convection oven into one sleek package. Let me share my experience with this innovative kitchen appliance. Design and build quality. The Ninja Double Oven is a substantial appliance, weighing in at about 35 pounds. Its size and weight contribute to its stability on the countertop, which is crucial when you're opening and closing the doors frequently. The stainless steel exterior not only looks sleek but also feels durable and resistant to fingerprints. The FlexDoor design is truly innovative. The top door can be opened independently, while the bottom door opens both compartments simultaneously. This design is not just for show, it serves a practical purpose by allowing you to check on food in the top compartment without losing heat from the bottom one. The doors are well insulated, keeping the exterior relatively cool even during high-temperature cooking. Inside, the oven features a non-stick coating that makes cleaning easier. The interior is spacious, with the top compartment measuring 6.5 inches by 13.5 inches by 12 inches and the bottom compartment 4.5 inches by 13.5 inches by 12 inches. This allows for cooking larger items like a 12-inch pizza or a 5-pound chicken in the bottom compartment. Features and functionality. Let's delve deeper into some of the key features. Smart Cook System. This system uses the built-in smart thermometer to monitor the internal temperature of your food. It's particularly useful for proteins, ensuring perfect doneness without the need for constant checking. IQ Boost. This feature intelligently distributes power between the two ovens when they're both in use, optimizing cooking performance. Customizable programs. You can save up to 4 custom programs for each cooking function, allowing you to quickly access your favorite settings. Rapid preheat. The oven preheats quickly, typically in about 60 seconds for the top compartment and 90 seconds for the bottom. Temperature range. The oven offers a wide temperature range from 85 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, suitable for everything from dehydrating to high-heat roasting. Performance. I put the Ninja Double Oven through its paces with a variety of cooking tasks. Here's a more detailed breakdown of its performance. Air frying. The air frying function in the Ninja DCT451 uses high-speed convection fans to circulate hot air around the food, creating a crispy exterior. I found it particularly effective for frozen foods. French fries, chicken nuggets, and fish sticks came out crispy and evenly cooked. Fresh vegetables. Brussels sprouts and cauliflower florets developed a nice char and remained tender inside. Chicken wings. These turned out impressively crispy, rivaling deep-fried versions. One thing to note is that the air frying basket is quite large, allowing for cooking larger batches compared to many standalone air fryers. Roasting. The roasting function excels in both the top and bottom compartments. I was particularly impressed with whole chicken. A 4-pound bird cooked in 60 minutes, with crispy skin and juicy meat. Vegetables. Root vegetables like potatoes and carrots roasted evenly with a nice caramelization. Beef roast. A 3-pound roast cooked to a perfect medium rare using the smart thermometer. The convection fan ensures even cooking and browning, eliminating the need to rotate pans midway through cooking. Baking results were generally good, though there were some variations. Cookies came out evenly browned and with a nice texture. Cakes. While they baked evenly, I found that cakes didn't rise quite as much as in a conventional oven. Bread. Both quick breads and yeast breads turned out well, with a good crust and even crumb. The oven's ability to maintain a consistent temperature is key to its baking performance. The dedicated pizza function is a standout feature. Frozen pizzas, cooked evenly with a crispy crust and well-melted cheese. Homemade pizzas. The high heat and pizza stone, sold separately, produced restaurant-quality results. The bottom compartment can accommodate up to a 12-inch pizza, making it suitable for most homemade and store-bought pizzas. Dual cooking. The dual cooking capability is where the Ninja Double truly shines. Some combinations I found particularly useful: roasting a chicken in the bottom while air frying vegetables in the top. Baking a casserole in the bottom while toasting bread for garlic bread in the top. Cooking a pizza in the bottom while broiling a small batch of wings in the top. The Smart Finish feature ensures both dishes are ready at the same time, which is incredibly convenient for meal planning. Ease of use. The digital control panel is well designed and intuitive. It features a clear LCD display that shows cooking time, temperature, and selected function. The knob controls for time and temperature are responsive and allow for precise adjustments. One feature I particularly appreciated was the Add Time button, which allows you to extend the cooking time without interrupting the cooking process. The smart thermometer is easy to use and connects seamlessly with the oven. It's particularly useful for cooking large cuts of meat, eliminating the guesswork and achieving the desired doneness. Cleaning and maintenance. Cleaning the Ninja Double is generally straightforward, with most accessories being dishwasher safe. However, I did find cleaning the inside of the oven compartments a bit challenging, especially the bottom one. Unlike basket-style air fryers where you can remove the entire basket for cleaning, you'll need to put in some elbow grease to clean any stuck-on food or grease from the walls. A small design oversight is that there's only one crumb tray meant for the top compartment. I found myself using aluminum foil in the bottom compartment to make cleanup easier. Energy efficiency. The Ninja DCT451 is relatively energy efficient for its size and capabilities. It uses 1,800 watts of power, which is comparable to many single-function toaster ovens. The ability to use just one compartment when needed helps conserve energy. Noise level. The oven operates quietly for most functions. The air frying mode is slightly louder due to the high-speed fan, but it's not disruptively noisy. The alert sounds when cooking is complete are clear but not overly loud. Accessories. The Ninja Double Oven comes with a good selection of accessories: 2 sheet pans, 2 wire racks, air fry basket, smart thermometer. While these cover most cooking needs, I found myself wishing for a pizza stone, which needs to be purchased separately. Warranty and customer support. Ninja offers a 1-year limited warranty on the double oven. In my experience, their customer support is responsive and helpful. They offer troubleshooting guides and video tutorials on their website, which I found useful when getting started with the more advanced features. Value for money. At its price point, the Ninja Double Oven is certainly an investment. However, considering its versatility and the fact that it can potentially replace several other appliances, toaster, air fryer, small oven, I believe it offers good value for money, especially for households that frequently cook varied meals or for multiple people. Who is it for? After using the Ninja DCT451 for a few weeks, I believe it's best suited for busy families who need to prepare different dishes simultaneously. Those with limited kitchen space who want to consolidate multiple appliances into one. Home cooks who enjoy experimenting with different cooking methods. Anyone who frequently cooks for groups or meal preps. It may be less suitable for those with very limited counter space. Individuals or couples who rarely cook elaborate meals. People on a tight budget who don't need all the extra features. So, should you buy it? The Ninja 12-in-1 Smart Double Oven Air Fryer with FlexDoor is a versatile and powerful kitchen appliance that lives up to its promises. Its unique dual oven design, coupled with the Smart Finish and Smart Thermometer features, make it stand out in a crowded market of air fryers and toaster ovens. While it excels in most cooking tasks, from air frying to roasting and baking, it's not without its minor flaws. The cleaning process could be easier, and the automatic preheat function might not suit everyone's cooking style. However, if you have the counter space and budget, and you frequently cook varied meals or for multiple people, the Ninja DCT451 could be a game changer in your kitchen. Its ability to handle multiple cooking tasks simultaneously can save significant time and effort in meal preparation. In conclusion, the Ninja Double is a high-performing, versatile appliance that can replace several other kitchen gadgets. While it comes with a premium price tag, its performance and convenience make it a worthwhile investment for the right household. As with any kitchen appliance, it may take some time to fully master all its functions, but once you do, it has the potential to revolutionize your cooking routine.